In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money in Facebook Ad Manager in just 5 minutes. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to easily top up your ad account and keep your campaigns running smoothly. So let's dive right in. First, start by navigating to the Facebook Ads Manager. You can do this by typing Facebook Ads Manager into Google and clicking the appropriate link. Once the Ads Manager page has loaded, you'll see an option that says Go to Ads Manager. You'll want to click on that, and if you haven't already logged in, you'll be prompted to do so. Now enter your email and password associated with your Facebook account. Be sure to type in your credentials correctly to avoid any login issues. Once done, hit that login button and you'll be transported to your Ads Manager dashboard. Here, you'll see a host of options and features designed to help you manage your advertising efforts effectively. Next, navigate to the campaign's dashboard. This is where you'll typically manage your active ad campaigns. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area if you haven't already, as it's the central hub for your advertising activities. Now, look towards the top of the page and click on the Billing and Payments option. Once you're in the billing section, you'll need to click on Payment Settings. This section is crucial since it allows you to manage how Facebook bills you for your advertising. Within this section, find and click on the Add Funds option. This is where you'll replenish your account balance. When you click that, you'll be presented with various payment method options. You can choose one that works best for you, such as your debit or credit card. After selecting your preferred payment method, click the Next button to proceed. You'll then be prompted to enter your card details. This is a straightforward process. Just enter your card number, the expiration date, and the security code. Ensure that all information is correct to prevent any payment errors. Once you've filled in your card details, there's one final step to confirm everything. Click on the Save button. And that's it. You now have successfully added funds to your Facebook ad account. Whenever you run new campaigns or continue existing ones, the platform will draw from these funds to maintain your ads. It's not only a convenient way to ensure your promotions continue uninterrupted, but it also gives you more control over your advertising expenditures. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide useful. Don't forget to check out more content for tips on optimizing your Facebook advertising strategy. Have a great day and happy advertising.